Hey friends, this is Atif of your Val and welcome to the new update on Siacoin. As in my earlier videos, we were watching that Siacoin was once again rejected by the resistance of a very big rising broadening wedge pattern, and this was my last video. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the rejection by this resistance of the broadening rising wedge pattern, this dropped down at the support. If we take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that the price line has started accumulating above this support of the broadening rising wedge pattern. And this is not happening for the first time, by the way. As you can see that whenever it is moving down at the support, it is forming higher highs and higher lows. You can see after reaching the resistance, it got rejected here. We tested the support and then we had another pump. We got rejected, tested the support here. We got another pump that the price and got rejected. Read the support here. And this is the most recent rejection that is happened here. And you can see that this broadening rising wedge pattern is getting more and more broader. And the more it will be broader, the more pumps and dumps will be bigger. Therefore, this time we had a quite big dump. After getting rejected, it dropped at the support, and this was almost 58% pump from this high to this low. And if this will be happen again, if it will start another reversal from here to read the resistance, then we can expect another very, very massive pump. Like previously we had from this low to this high, this pump was more than 177%. And same as like that, we can expect another very, very massive pump. Therefore, this support will be very important, this support of the broadening rising wedge pattern. At the same time, we also have a hidden bullish divergence still on this 7 days time frame chart. As you can see that the price line is forming a higher low than previous low. But if we take a look at the stochastic oscillator, then you can see that it is forming a lower than previous low. So there is a quite big hidden bearish, hidden bullish divergence on this 7 days time frame chart. That is another signal for the price reversal from this support. And we also have another quite long-term support here, just below the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern. That is at $0.0085. And almost there, we also have this quite long-term support of EMA 21 as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of Feb 2024 in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Siacoin that I shared in the previous month of January, on 11th of January 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern, not a cipher, a Gartley pattern that Siacoin formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell targets on and the stop loss. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see it started a quite massive pump, and this was almost 75% rally only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Siacoin, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. And previously, you can see it was moving inside a quite long-term down channel since after the month of March 2021. And since after the month of November 2022, it found another uptrend line support. And this was the formation of another symmetrical triangle within this big down channel. We broke out this symmetrical triangle. The target for this breakout from the triangle was here. That was approximately here at this next long-term resistance of 1.4 cents. And you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target up to 2.31 cents. And over there, we had this quite long-term uptrend line resistance of this broadening rising wedge pattern. And the price then got rejected by this resistance and dropped down at this support. And right now, you can see it is testing the support of the broadening rising wedge pattern. At the same time, we also have this a hidden bullish divergence as well. Like the price line is forming higher low than previous low, but the stochastic oscillator is forming lower than previous low. We also have a quite nice and long-term support of EM at 21 as well that had been previously working at a very, very long resistance. And now after the breakout, it is flipped into a nice support. And just below this support of this broadening rising wedge pattern, we also have a quite long-term support of $0.0085 as well. That has been previously working as a very nice support here for several weeks and support here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a very, very strong support. Now, if the price line will be moved up to hit the resistance of this broadening rising wedge pattern once again, then first it will need to break out this resistance of 2.5 cents. Before that, we also have this quite long-term resistance of 1.4 cents as well. That had been previously working as a resistance here, and for several weeks, it had been working as a support here. And after that, we will have the next resistance here at 2.5 cents that has been previously working as a resistance here for several weeks and support here for a few weeks as well. And then it can hit the resistance of the broadening rising wedge pattern somewhere here approximately at 3.2 cents or 3.3 cents. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big down channel, and that move is still due if I place this measurement tool from this low when we were testing the support of this channel here up to this side, then you can see it has rallied more than 900%. In fact, it has rallied almost 984%, almost 1000%. But so far, this move is still due. That is a target for this channel, the top of the channel between 6.5 cents to 7 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.